Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Attio CRM, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add an email signature inside your Attio CRM? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to create an email signature inside of Attio anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business using Attio CRM, you can send emails directly from the platform, but you may want to add a signature to be consistent with your branding. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Attio CRM dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Attio, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add a signature to one of your emails, you had to have already connected your Gmail or your Microsoft Outlook. As long as you've done that, what you're going to do next is up here on the top left, click on your workspace name. Next, you're going to click on account settings. After you click on account settings, you're going to click here on email and calendar accounts. Once you're there, look for your email address up here towards the top. And then to the right of the email address, you're going to see these three little dots. Click on there. Once you click there, you want to click on edit. Okay, once you click on edit, here at the top, you're going to see these three options, and you want to click on signatures. Okay, once you do that, click on this blue create first signature button. Okay, so here you can go ahead and type in your signature. I'm going to go ahead and add one. Okay, so once you filled out your signature right here, there's no save button. It just automatically saves for you. So you can see I added it in here. So the next time that I go to send an email from my Attio CRM, I can go ahead and include this signature in the message. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add an email signature into your Attio CRM account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.